Welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos from me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday, 13th of March. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which has ticked higher in the last few sessions. The dollar's coming back in a corrective move. Yesterday's inflation data certainly didn't help, and now we see euro dollar back to this key point again, 113 big figure. Now the question being, was that breakdown that we saw last week to 11.75, was that a decisive move, or was that still playing out as part of this range? I think the 113 big figure level will be a key component in deciding what the market outlook is, because what we do have is sort of a slightly corrective medium-term outlook that has developed. The RSI hit 30. Last time it hit that, the market was certainly in a corrective phase, and 30 tends to be sort of where you see negative outlook on momentum. If the RSI sort of fails around this sort of 50 mark, then I think it will be an interesting point at which we could see this rally sold into. But 113 big figure, the old floor or basis of support, becomes a new basis of resistance. So how the market responds literally around here now, 113 big figure, could be crucial. We have the stochastics which have crossed higher, so that theoretically is a near-term buy signal. And again, if that failure of this little rally comes at 113 figure and we start to see the outlook rolling over again, that would be really disappointing, I think, from the bulls' perspective. Now what we've seen this morning is that coming up to that resistance on several occasions and sort of testing it and not quite being able to get through it. But at the moment we do have a little trend higher of the last few sessions. Little uptrend there, and it is improving, and you've got the hourly market, the momentum on the hourly, which is also holding up above 40, and again pushing 70. So again suggests an improving outlook, but we need to see this break through the resistance. 113.20 is a subsequent pivot throughout February and into early March. So again, that is the subsequent resistance after 13 figure, which again, if you saw a decisive closing breakout above 13 figure, probably above 13.20, then you would start to see the recovery, I think, gaining traction. But for now, this is a key moment for the euro dollar recovery, and which way it will turn will be very interesting, I think. Just a handful of pips up on the day at the moment. So wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.